All right, let's let X be the number of people responding to the job interview. And we are trying to figure out how many people responded. So that's what we're trying to find is X. Okay. They tell us that 20%, no, let me see, 60% of the people who responded to a ad were interviewed by phone. So 60 over 100 times X is the number interviewed by phone. And that's divide each one by 10. You just cross off the zeros. And then 2 will go into 6 3 times. And 2 will go into 10 5 times. I'm going to go ahead and reduce that down. So that's the number by phone. And then it says 20% of those. So 20% and 20% is 20 over 100. Or you could do 0.2 if you like decimals. The same thing for that 60%. I just switched it to a fraction. So 20% of multiply 3/5 of X, that's going to be the number of personal interviews. And 5 will go into 24 times, and 4 will go into 125 times. So that's 3 over 25X is the number of people that got personal interviews, and they tell me in the verbiage that there were 3 of those. So you set equal to 3 and multiply both sides by 25 to clear your fractions, and that's 3X equals 75, X equals 25. That's the number of people who responded to a job advertisement. So enters 25. I want to go back to the 60%. Just to make sure, 60%, if you got the percent sign, that's 60%. That's the same thing as 60 over 100, if you like fractions, or it's equal to 0.60. Okay, whatever form of the decimal or fraction you can use. And of course, I went that way.